Hi, good morning everyone. Thanks to one and all for 10,000 plus subscribers to my YouTube channel. If you have already watched my part 1 video, I'm very thankful for you. If you have not yet watched the part 1 video, please check the description for the video. And as of now, 1500 people have watched the video in 1 week of duration. We are going to meet with this kind of a special video when we meet the milestone of 100,000 views to MMFI integration video. I know that video is special to many of you. Even my market to US, UK, and many of the students are joined in 2015 to 2016 just because of MMFI integration video. I hope you also love it. We will meet in that special video after 3 to 4 months. My sincere request to all the people who are preparing for the jobs. Currently, the job market is not that great. Please don't go to depression. If you know SAP MM, you try to learn S/4HANA Logistics or SAP WM, any kind of a module which can give you an added advantage compared to other profiles who is going with single module. And if you have a free time, you are in WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups. If somebody asks the question, feel it like your question. That question is going to be asked in interview for you in future, or else you are going to face such kind of a support ticket in your future job assignment. So you have to feel like that and take your idea system and practice and enhance your skills. And if you feel time, you can conduct some sessions or doubt sessions. Anyway, you have to be in with SAP, either practicing or preparing or conducting any kind of sessions. These kind of things so that it will enhance your knowledge. You don't get a chance to forget the subject as you are not working or you are not preparing continuously. So these kind of different things will help you to enhance knowledge. And please don't go to depression and give few weeks of time. The job market will increase and we are going to get the normal situations. Please be patient and give it time and do your best. Be positive. All the best to all of you. And once again, thanks for this 10,000 subscribers. We are celebrating with different ways, and this video also similar to part 1, but we have a different set of people from different countries to express their congratulations and the wishes to all of us. And watch the video and support us, and check all of my videos by using different playlists and enhance your skills. If you like the videos, and share with your friends in different groups so that many people will get benefit out of those videos. Be happy, be safe. All the best. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
Hello Ganesh sir, congratulations on reaching your milestone of 10k subscribers on YouTube. I was watching your videos since a long time. I gained a lot of knowledge and very much useful to my career. Keep sharing your knowledge sir. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Nutan from Singapore. Currently I am working in Apple Singapore. First of all, congratulations to you Ganesh for completing 10,000 subscribers. It is really happy moment. I would like to share my story with everyone, how I got to know about the Ganesh channel. So in 2018, when I was preparing for my first SAP MM consultant interview, I was going through Google and different YouTube channels to study for the SAP MM. So I got to know about the Ganesh channel, where he explains all the SAP MM procurement processes, MMFI integration processes, and different scenarios relating with the business in very simple words. I can say you have good explanation skills, which helps people like me to learn easily and enhance our knowledge, and to many people it may be helpful to crack their interviews and achieve good growth in their career like me. So you are really doing good work, keep it up, and for everyone, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Snehal Patani. I am a SAP MM functional consultant currently living in US. I have subscribed to Ganesh Padala's YouTube channel for MMWM videos, and I have learned a lot from it for quite some time. Recently, I was on one of the WM analyst project, and a few of his videos I watched, and they were very helpful to me. I like his videos because he makes all the processes make it very easy to understand, and they've been very helpful to me. Ganesh, congratulations. I'm very happy that you are reaching to 10,000 subscribers. Good luck to you for future. Please keep making good videos for us, and good luck and all the best to all of them who have subscribed his channel and learning it from it every day. Thanks.
Ganesh, hearty congratulations on reaching 10k subscribers. Actually, I met Ganesh in the year 2016 through his videos when I just had an year of experience in SAP. Many things have happened to me, but the best thing I would say is the way I started analyzing the concepts in SAP or the business processes in SAP has totally changed after coming across your videos. And the second thing is the quicker response that you give. Wherever we are stuck, in spite of busy schedule that you have in office, you give a quicker response for all of our questions and you help us go through it. Actually, you deserve all this credit, Ganesh. Wish you all the very best, and I wish you to make many more such videos and make us grow as a good SAP consultant along with you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Ganesh, on reaching 10k subscribers for your YouTube channel. You have taken real pain in preparing all the videos so that even a layman can understand the concept of SAP. You will always be rewarded for your hard work and the good heart you have to help others. I wish you more and more success in the coming years. I sincerely hope and pray that you reach the 1 million subscribers soon. Thank you, Ganesh. Keep your good work going. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Srinivasa Reddy from India. I am working as a SAP MM consultant since 5 years. I have been subscribed to Ganesh Padala SAP MM videos, which helped me a lot. Thanks to Ganesh for that. You have made such a beautiful videos which any SAP consultant can understand this one. And congratulations to you. All the best and good luck for your future endeavor.
Hi, my name is Naveeda and I live in New Jersey. I work for a pharmaceutical company as a senior analyst. First of all, I would like to congratulate Ganesh Padala for reaching the 10k mark of subscriber. I think it's a very well deserving one. His work for materials management and providing education to youngsters is a very splendid one. I have subscribed Ganesh Padala's videos 3 years back. Those were very helpful and answer all the questions that I've been looking for and very supportive for my work. I recommend it to everybody and I wish him best of the luck for his future endeavors.
Hello everyone, this is Kasturi. I'm from Delhi and I'm currently working in the Oberoi group as an SAP consultant. I have come across Ganesh sir's YouTube channel and I must say the contents are really good and extremely essential for a new bud. He teaches passionately and to very depth of knowledge. The best part is he teaches every field very minutely. I am sure his teaching would uplift every one of us, and I am also benefited by his videos and cracked interviews by his guidance. I congratulate Ganesh sir for a huge success. I will always be grateful to him. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ilukwe Emmanuel. I am SAP MM and PP consultant. I currently work in Lagos, Nigeria, here in Africa. Ganesh, I want to say a very big congratulations to you for what you have achieved so far. Your SAP WM and MM videos or channels have been of immense help to me and my career over the years. I want to say a very big thank you for that. You are a great guy. And I want to leak a secret to you. It is your videos that I run to in all my implementations whenever I have difficulties. And Very, very complicated processes you have made easy for everyone to understand and benefit from. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my colleague. And I wish you best of luck in all your endeavors. And I say a very big congratulations to that 10K subscribers and even 20K, 30K, and 1 million subscribers very soon. For everyone, I want you to run and subscribe to Ganesh channel. A very, very great guy. If you want to grow steadily in your career, subscribe to Ganesh Padala. Ganesh, my friend, keep making these videos for us. We are enjoying it, we are benefiting from it, and we are also making other consultants great because of your channel. Thank you very much, my brother. Thumbs up to you, and I wish I will see you soon one of these days. Thank you, my brother. Bye.